conference. We have our player of the game, Boy Aram, and Coach John Reyes of TNT. I'll start with you. Coach, considering your team played 2 days ago, what can you say about the effort that your players put in, especially yung bench, the significant contributions that it gave?
Yeah, we actually talked about it. In fact, at halftime, that's what I told the players. We said we're in a good position because we're only 2 points down, and that was really our intent. We wanted to stay close because we knew we'd have heavy legs, we'd be tired from playing a hard game just 2 days ago. Nabuhayan kami because we saw that we were within striking distance in the first half. So that I think that gave us a lot of impetus. And then, secondly, we also got a lucky break when Chris Newsom went out with an injury. We all know how important Chris is to that team, both offensively and defensively. So we just were able to capitalize on that. And then finally, like you said, the role of the bench, led by this guy beside me, Boy, and Jason, guys like Brian Miruela, I thought played really well, and CJ Payawan, I thought played really well coming off the bench. So, as in most cases like this, we can't do it unless it's a total team effort. So, I thought we saw that too.
Coach, down 2 at the half, and ended the game with a 20-point victory. What are some of the contributing factors na allow you guys to pull away from Meralco?
Chiefly, it was our defense because we were not shooting the ball particularly well. Ronde wasn't hitting his shots. Our outside gunners were not really connecting. But we were stopping them from scoring as well. I think we gave only 16 points in each quarter or something. So that was the key. Because of our stops, it gave us some opportunities to run out and score in position. And I think that was the main factor in the ball.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Boy, only your second game back after, 1 year of not playing. If you could just share with us that journey and kung gaano nakatulong yung presence and yung tiwala nga ng iyong team, the coaches and your teammates.
Yun, siyempre, unang-una po, salamat ako sa Panginoon kasi yung journey ko medyo mahirap Tinest talaga ako ni Lord. Talaga, 1 year na out ako. Pero yun nga, I stick to it, I stick to my work, and then I stay true to yung mahal ko yung basketball eh. So yun, and then, siyempre, pagbalik ko, hindi naman yung madali eh. Pero yun nga, sabi mo nga, yung tiwala ng teammates ko, ng coaches na doon pa rin. So, doon pa lang yung kumpiyansa ko tumaas na. Mataas pa rin doon pa rin, parang hindi pa rin wala. Kasi alam ko, yung confidence ng team, nandun pa rin para sa akin. So, yun yung para sa akin, parang nagdala para bumalik ako sa team na to, para mabalik din lalo pa yung pagmamahal ko sa basketball.
Boy, talking about Ronde Hollis Jefferson, paano ba talaga siya as a teammate? How does he bring out the best in you guys or challenge you guys to kind of level with him? Kasi kita naman natin gaano rin yung level of play niya until the very end, whether naman kayo or nagkakapod.
One word, trust. Malaki yung tiwala niya sa amin. Then malaki yung tiwala namin sa kanya. Kasi alam namin, Ronde sa NBA veteran, we won a championship with him. And then yung tiwala niya hindi nawawala. Binibigyan ka niya ng kumpiyansa. Kahit siya mismo parang hindi na siya nakakashoot. Pero alam mo na bibigyan ka pa rin niya ng kumpiyansa. Kasi kailangan ka niya, di ba? So, he knows everybody in the team, he knows what we can do to help him doing the
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations on you're now 2-0 on top of Group A, despite yung mga success pa. Everything seems quite well based on how does this bode well for you moving forward?
Well, I'd like to think that, but we won't have the luxury because coming up next is Converge, and you saw how good their import is. So that's something that's going to be a very different challenge for us. They play a very different game than Meralco. So now, we can't dwell on our record or this victory because right now our focus just has to be on Converge and nothing else. The good thing is that Our younger players are stepping up, the new guys are stepping up, Ray and CJ, and even to a larger extent, our new old guys like Ping Eximiliano, and this guy, parang bago din si Boy because he wasn't with us last year. So I think if there's one good thing that we're seeing, it's the integration of the newbies, the noobs with the rest of the team.
Ang update kila Kelly and Boy.
Roger still has some back issues, although the MRI showed no major structural damage, but he still he tried to go and practice yesterday where he did some light offense work with us, some shooting, but meron nararamdaman pa rin siya. So he's really a day-to-day. Kelly, I think, is the same. It's still depending on how quickly the pain for Kelly, the pain in his calf, will subside to make it tolerable for him to jump. But again, thankfully, there's no structural damage. So just a slight strain or pull, and we know gamot lang doon is rest, it's complete rest. So we're giving them that.
Thoughts mo lang sa yung kay Koy, yung how prepared yung game this season, and kasi sometimes mga players na pag 1 year na wala, I mean, matagal makuha yung usual form.
Nawala naman si Koy sa game lang but he's been with us in practice almost all throughout. So even when, as soon as he could run, he was already in our practices, in the weights room with us, in all of the team meetings and functions. So he was absent physically, but his spirit was always there. And I think when he became physically able, there was no adjustment in the other aspects. So yun lang, that's number one. And number two, I thought the tune-up games were also important for Koy, for him to be able to get back to the group of things. And before we started now the post-game press con, I actually asked him if he's already feeling that his game shape is coming back, because yun naman ang kalaban ng mga ganyan, even if they're already 100% healthy, iba yung basketball shape. So that's yun na lang ang hinihintay and tinatrabaho din ko.
That wraps up our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations.
Thank you.